Hi, I'm Chris Pollock. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you my vacuum setup for my Dremel tool. For vacuuming out the chips when routing in the inlay channel for inlay. One of the most common problems is when you're trying to inlay and cut the cavities, say into a fretboard or something, the dust gets in the way and you have to stop, vacuum it up, or try to hold the vacuum while you do it. But I came up with a couple of modifications to my Dremel tool. That's what I use right now, and to make for better lighting and for the dust collection or chip pickup. This is it here, and it's pretty easy to make and cheap. Let's take a closer look at it.
Alright, here it is. What it basically is, it's nothing more than it's a Dremel tool, and I have it on a StuMac precision router base, and I've changed the base itself from the aluminum to the plexi because I like to be able to see what I'm doing. And I added a flashlight from Harbor Freight for a little bit of light on the area. Turn it in the front view. And there you can see the plexiglass with plenty of light, LED. It's basically just taped on. I have a little wedge behind here to keep it at an angle. And the vacuum system is nothing more than some vinyl hose. I have some vinyl hose. As you can see, I cut it on an angle, and I just push the hose down so that it flares out. And then it comes up, and I just tape it, not to cover the vents here, allowing access to the on-off switch, and I just tape it all the way up the wire. And it just some black electrician's tape, and I hang a hook up above, and that just goes all the way down, and it continues over into a fitting. The fitting I have now is just duct tape to this. I think it's a 2-inch fitting, reducer to 1 inch, and then from 1 inch it's to 1 inch to 3/4, or 1 inch to a half, or this may be 3/4, but the wrap tape around the end of the hose, stick it in there, tape it on. You could probably get a barb fitting to fit with a 1/2 inch pipe thread and barb fit it in, but this is working fine. And then I have the power switch. Well, there you can see the vacuum goes in my vacuum. The power goes from the foot switch, or feeds the foot switch, and then the foot switch has a little splitter that goes to my vacuum, and that goes to my Dremel tool, so that the vacuum only turns on when the foot switch is engaged. Okay, I'll do a little sample on this piece of walnut so you can see how effective the little vacuum works. Alright. Plenty of light. Well, that was it. Seems to work well for me over the years. So if you're running into that same problem of collecting the dust and chips, go ahead. It didn't take much to make it, as you can see, and it didn't cost much to do either, and does an excellent job. So happy building. See you next time.